What if we could clear Alzheimer's plaques from the brain in hours? And it's been done in mice. Astonished face. This disease steals memory, identity, and time, impacting millions globally. Alzheimer's isn't just old brain sadness, it's the buildup of sticky amyloid-beta plaques and tangles. Scientists just discovered a method to repair the brain's cleanup gate, the blood-brain barrier, so plaques exit instead of piling up. But here's where it gets crazy. What if this actually works in humans? Here's the headline: 3 injections, a special nanoparticle technique, and within just hours, the mice lost approximately 45% of their plaques. These weren't pristine mice. They showed cognitive decline beforehand. After treatment, they performed like healthy peers, demonstrating significant improvement. But hold up, this isn't magic yet. Let's get into how this works. The blood-brain barrier, or BBB, is the brain's moat. It protects the castle, but also keeps out the cleanup crews. In Alzheimer's, this moat weakens and waste builds up, forming amyloid-beta clumps. Instead of trying to smuggle drugs in, these researchers asked, what if we restore the moat so waste can leave? They used nanoparticles that target LRP1, a transport protein in the barrier that helps clear amyloid-beta. They triggered a cascade, fixed the vessel, increased clearance, clean brain. Plaques gone, cognition improved, and the effect lasted at least 6 months. Here's the promise: a path not just to slow Alzheimer's, but potentially reverse it. Here's the reality check. Mice do not equal humans. Their brain vasculature is different. One expert said, "Too early to say if this works in people." So you might ask, should I get excited? Or am I being misled? Good questions. Yes, exciting. No guarantees yet. Behind the headlines, this was a specific Alzheimer's subtype in a small set of rodents. Nanoparticles working in mice may trigger immune issues in humans. What if clearing plaques doesn't translate to clinical improvement in humans? Past drug failures warn us. If you discovered a treatment that might reverse Alzheimer's, would you join the trial knowing risks were high? Here's the big reveal. This study signals a new era in Alzheimer's research, from blocking symptoms to repairing infrastructure. It says, the barrier itself is not just a hurdle, it's a malfunctioning tissue. Fix that and the system self-clears. For you and me, that means it could shift how we approach aging brains. From find better drugs to make brain plumbing work again. What's next? Human trials. Safety first, then dose, then real-world outcomes. Would you pay for a treatment that improves brain clearance plumbing, even if it only extends life quality by a few years? So yes, you just witnessed one of the boldest flips in Alzheimer's strategy. But as always, one study is a spark, not the flame. If you want me to dive into the biotech companies racing to translate this into human treatments and what that means for your future brain, hit subscribe, smash the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.